Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will talk about the remaining games of Cleveland Cavaliers for the rest of the season. As of March 16, 2025, the Cleveland Cavaliers leads the NBA in number of wins and already clinched a playoff spot in their division. They are on the verge of getting home court advantage during the entire playoffs. With only 17 games remaining, Cleveland Cavaliers is 28.5 games away from Chicago Bulls, the number 10 team in the East, and 8 games ahead of the second team, Boston Celtics. Cleveland Cavaliers won 15 straight games for the second time this season, and currently they have 16-game winning streak. The team averaged 122.7 points per game and just give up 111.4 points per game. They beat their opponent at an average margin of 11.3 points per game. The team shot 49.4% from the field, 39% from the three-point line, that is first in the NBA, and 79.1% from the free throw line. They average 45.4 rebounds per game, 28.4 assists per game, 8.2 steals per game, 4.4 blocks per game, and 13.1 turnovers per game. On the defensive end, they only allow 45.3% field goals per game and 35.7% three-point percentage per game. Donovan Mitchell led the team in points and steals with an average of 24.2 points per game and 1.3 steals per game. He also had 4.3 rebounds and 4.8 assists per game. He shot 45.1% from the field, 38.4% from the three-point line, and 81.9% from the free throw line. Their second leading scorer is Darius Garland with an average of 21 points per game. He led the team in assists with 6.7 assists per game. Evan Mobley is their third leading scorer with an average of 18.6 points per game. He led the team in blocks with 1.6 blocks per game. Jarrett Allen led the team in rebounds with 10.2 rebounds per game. He averaged 13.6 points per game on 70.2% shooting. Let's talk about their regular season series matchup against the top 6 in the Eastern Conference and the West leading Oklahoma City Thunder. Against Boston Celtics, their regular season series is tied at 2-2. Against the number 3 New York Knicks, their regular season series is 2-0 in favor of the Cleveland Cavaliers. They still have 2 games this coming April. Against Milwaukee Bucks, the number 4 team, Cleveland wins the series 4-0. Against Indiana Pacers, the regular season series is tied at 1-1. They still have games this coming April. Against Detroit Pistons, the regular season series is 3-0 in favor of the Cleveland Cavaliers. Against the West leading Oklahoma City Thunder, the regular season series is tied at 1-1. Cleveland Cavaliers won a very close fight in Game 1, but Thunder defense prevails in Game 2. Here are the remaining schedules of Cleveland Cavaliers this season. Versus Orlando Magic, March 17, 1 a.m. Philippine Time, March 16, 12 p.m. Eastern Time. At Los Angeles Clippers, March 19, 10:30 a.m. Philippine Time, March 18, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Sacramento Kings, March 20, 10 a.m. Philippine Time, March 19, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. At Phoenix Suns, March 22, 10 a.m. Philippine Time, March 21, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. At Utah Jazz, March 24, 3:30 a.m. Philippine Time, March 23, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. At Portland Trail Blazers, March 26, 10 a.m. Philippine Time, March 25, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus San Antonio Spurs, March 28, 7 a.m. Philippine Time, March 27, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. At Detroit Pistons, March 29, 7 a.m. Philippine Time, March 28, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Los Angeles Clippers, March 31, 3:30 a.m. Philippine Time, March 30, 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus New York Knicks, April 3, 7 a.m. Philippine Time, April 2, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. At San Antonio Spurs, April 5, 8 a.m. Philippine Time, April 4, 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Sacramento Kings, April 7, 6 a.m. Philippine Time, April 6, 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Chicago Bulls, April 9, 7 a.m. Philippine Time, April 8, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. At Indiana Pacers, April 11, 7 a.m. Philippine Time, April 10, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. At New York Knicks, April 12, 7:30 a.m. Philippine Time, April 11, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Versus Indiana Pacers, April 14, 1 a.m. Philippine Time, April 13, 12 p.m. Eastern Time. What do you think? Does the Cleveland Cavaliers have the capability to play deeper into the playoffs? If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to help our channel grow. Thank you so much everyone. See you in the next video.